Hello, cadre, compadres. I'm sorry I couldn't be at the meeting today, but I did want to go over a couple resources that I use in my class. The first one being Anchor FM. Now, I've been using Anchor for several years, several different organizations, but it's really come in handy with our students. So the way that it works is it's a free app. You can use it mobile or web. It's actually easier on mobile if you use it. Android and iOS compatible. So you record your snippets, whatever you need, and it pushes it to all of the major audio distribution channels: Apple Music, iTunes, Google Podcasts, Spotify particularly. I usually use the native Anchor link just to show them some love. But they have podcasting tips. I'm hoping maybe in January to be able to share this with other teachers. But I have a channel, Mr. 6 in the Morning, updates and encouragement to start your day, and I've got a few posts, episodes that you can put together and show the kids how you walk them through different things. So I've got the channel Mr. 6 in the Morning, and I'll walk them through several different things, explaining some projects that we have coming up. We have, let me see what my episodes are. We have gone over a couple projects. We've talked about writing styles, book review, and I kind of wiped out last year, so they're not showing up in here, but I try and keep it under 2 or 3 minutes just because kids and their attention spans, and I also like to have it where if they needed to listen to it in a passing period, that would also be fine. Now, for more longer or in-depth instructions, we'll go to YouTube, and because of some tips and tricks that I learned after joining the cadre, I've been using a lot of Screencastify. So one of the things that we're looking at is the Microsoft Ink. Really glad for the updates to that, and I have a tablet with a stylus, and we'll get to that. So then it'll follow your screen around, and you can annotate. Kind of like what you would encounter in an online class. I don't know if you actually can hear the video. So those are two of the things that I've been using. Push pause here. Been using a lot of YouTube for my kids, a lot of links that I send out via Remind, and when it's just short snippets and reminders, that would be more of an Anchor podcast type thing. Now again, like I mentioned, using a lot of Windows Ink with the stylus that I have. It's just a small Wacom tablet. It's not a touchscreen device. It's just a tablet you plug in and you scribble on it, and it shows up on your screen. So I'll use the sketchpad quite a bit, talk about essay functions, talk about symbolism, talk about different vocabulary words in my content area. But I mean, you could do systems of equations, you could do scientific method, formulas, different things on the Windows Ink. So that, coupled with YouTube, Screencastify, and Anchor, is pretty much the main arrows in my arsenal. So I hope that this does help you as much as it has helped me, and we'll chat soon.